What's up and good morning all my rider drivers, entertainment providers. I was supposed to be getting rid of my car for the last 2 weeks, alright? And I was supposed to be going for only like 4 days. 4 days turned into 10 days, 10 days turned into 15 days. I just got done with 10 hours and 28 minutes, 548 miles of driving just to get here at 7 a.m. to have Carvana come here to take my car away. But on another note, let me let you all know I was up north in another country having a blast celebrating 2 birthdays. Let me let y'all know, along with my celebration, I had a little bit too much celebration, alright? I had a little bit too much celebration. Dorothy, that's the name I'm gonna give her right now. Her eyeball got knocked out. Something's coming from her lip. Her arm is broken. She's missing a toenail. She had to go get a pedicure. And her butthole is exposed. I was having a good night. Got some amazing footage inside of this building. This huge, massive waterfall inside. After that, I was about to put the drone away. But no, somebody decided to fly it all the way down the casino hallway. And then the drone, all of a sudden, without GPS, decides to go up and smash it to the overhead. People, in fact, here, let me roll this beautiful beam footage right here. Roll it. There you go. You see the drone? It's nice and low because I was just getting some speed, getting some footage coming down. And then all of a sudden, look. Blew up. It was a big old ball of fire. The ambulance, fire department, CIA, everybody came to the rescue. So no worries. I have the refresh replacement warranty from DJI. I think it's like $75. So they're going to send me an actual replacement drone. But it was an amazing time. I got some great footage with the drone. Some of that stuff I'm going to be able to use. All of it is archived. That's why I love these drones so much, because it backs up everything. But that's it. Hopefully you all get to see when I do an unboxing for the DJI Mini 3. But the DJI Mini 2, once the new one come in, I'll post that one up. If someone got inquiries about it, you want to ask about it, or you just got any questions, I'll leave the link down below so you can check it out to see what kind of drone the DJI Mini 2 is, so you're not automatically grabbing the most expensive one that's out right now. You can practice with something like this and get an eyeball to fall out. Look at this. Look. Alright, now I gotta go ahead and get all my paperwork. Go ahead and make sure it's all in the passenger seat, because they're coming to pick up my car and to give me that hardcore check. You understand? I gotta let my baby go. I don't use her as much. She stays inside the garage. I don't drive her, put miles on her. I'm not using her in the way I should be using her. And they gave me an offer that I couldn't say no to. So don't cry, okay, people? Don't cry. But I gotta give a shout out to all my Patreon members. They saw some of the behind the scenes when Driver Sensei was a Dragonfly. But give a shout out to all my Patreons who got some of the behind the scenes. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Sorry that y'all had to see a distraught drone right here. A drone that went through some hell. And I had to say goodbye to my car. But hopefully you all enjoy. Make sure you all explore your world. Doesn't matter how you do it, whether you bike, train ride, hang glide, scuba dive, horse ride, skydive, or take your drone and crash. It doesn't matter how you explore your world. But if you drive, remember, don't just drive. Be a driver. Check out this video right here. Also, click my face if you're not subscribed. Some of y'all are not subscribed. And then catch me on my socials on Facebook, Instagram, and of course Patreon. I'll catch you all later. Out.